Hello everybody, this is Joep with SemperGreen Services. Today our team visited the 2 living walls at the German Embassy in Washington DC. The living walls, each about 500 square foot, at the German Embassy were replaced in 2017 from a failing system installed by a different company. The previous system consisted of a soil-filled aluminum grid and it was irrigated to a rather simple standard irrigation controller. After several expensive years of failure, the Embassy decided in 2017 to replace the entire system with a mineral-based SemperGreenwall system and replacing the simple irrigation controller with a Sempergreen Plant Care System. The mineral wool provides a very reliable structure for plants to grow into. Opposite the soil, mineral wool does not deteriorate over time and so will provide the plants with the structure they need to be able to sustain on a vertical surface. The Sempergreen Plant Care System consists of several sensors, ensuring that each section of the wall is provided with the perfect amount of moisture and nutrients. Additionally, the plant care system will have the capability to irrigate the living wall year-round. Yes, also in the winter. It will automatically winterize itself only when frost occurs. Without irrigation in the winter, plants will dehydrate and will not be able to deal with the cold temperatures. Since the full system replacement, the yearly maintenance cost, or in case of the previous system, rather fix-up cost, are reduced with about $30,000 a year. Today's visit demonstrates the health of the wall and the ease of maintaining it. Frankly, it takes us longer to put up the lift than to perform the actual plant care. Would you like to learn a little more about the system? Or would like to see if it's something for you? Please reach out to us through email, office@sempergreen.com, or follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you.